His level of intimidation has only increased, not decreased.
Nigel!
When life is too boring, follow this boy.
Okay, whatever. Go. Go. You wanted to go out, now go. Yeah.
No matter how great the playfulness is, it must be defeated by thunder.
Oh.
First time working in a team like. Not everyone has this backing singing skill. I tried, Mommy, but it seems too tall for me. Consequences of not taking your pet for a walk. When my friend shared the secret to increasing height. So, this is the feeling of being cherished and protected. It's not that I'm fat, it's that this chair is too small.
Do not bring up that big pillow. Stop bringing it.
I can't imagine sleeping without this pillow.
I'm not. No, ignore my mess here.
This conspiracy seems to have been cherished for a long time. The dog said, "Everything has to be in my hands." Once you're lovable, whatever you do is lovely. Remember, not everyone he wants to be close to, man.
Crazy Coco. At it again.
No need to pay, but this boy can still skate. How to make exercise more enjoyable.
You look creep.
Once he wants it, nothing can stop him. Maybe this is the weight of love that people say. The house has a difficult dog who does not like the noise. A dog with a beautiful shadow like this must be a handsome man like me.
Okay.
How much stronger can food make him? The noise of the destruction is killing me.
Hey Mabel, Magpie.
Wanted to give you a quick update. Kai is a big humper.
He's trying to think fast on how to get out of this.
And a lot of the dogs did not like it. He is social, but he's more concerned about humping everybody than he is playing.
If no one gives you clothes to wear, find them yourself. When you come home and your seat has been taken by someone else.
Oh, you go first.
Body's keeping us healthy.
Although I don't understand, but if you like it, I have to accept it.
Thankful for everything that you do for us, Lord Jesus, and we want to be sure that we don't just tell you at our meals, that we tell.
He must have been a comedian in his previous life. I'm a statue. I can't see anything. If it's Halloween, he'll get first prize for his disguise. Do you think this will be enough for my belly? Didn't expect cats to become so scary to dogs one day. This playground is my own. I've already marked it all. Have you ever been attracted to this beauty? Who says playing alone isn't fun?
Can you hold the light straight?
It's time to get up.
If you want to wake this girl up, you have to use this method, human.
Are you serious? No.
When it's mine, don't try to take it.
Pop the burrito.
I'm just helping you get more active. This love triangle ended today's video. Goodbye and see you again.